Hello, I am in Big Y right now. Now we are gonna get some ingredients for Crabulous crab dip. Now it's from my Disney Villains Cookbook. Now I don't really know the ingredients, but we do have a list. So I will come back to you when we get my first ingredient. Okay, we have some sea salt crackers, so we can actually dip it with the crab dip without dipping. Oh yeah, this is a pound. This is a pound. Yeah, this is a pound. Like this is a pound. Oh, and a pound of crab meat. Wow. And guess what? The biggest spider crab ever was the size of a refrigerator. Why do we need paprika?
Because it goes
Is it spicy?
No.
Okay. And now we have some. Oh, there's chilies.
There's no chili.
Great.
Paprika.
No paprika.
It's fine. It's a mild. It's very mild.
Okay, so I have some paprika. Hey, do you know what that is? That's an ingredient to gas. That kind of gas. That's the kind of gas the ingredients do.
Dijon mustard.
Dijon mustard? I do not eat mustard.
It's an ingredient. So here's your Dijon mustards right here, the brown one.
I don't eat mustard.
Yeah, you are going. It's an ingredient. You're not going to taste it. It adds to the flavor.
Okay.
So
I guess this one. So this one is very.
That's honey mustard.
Oh. Oopsies. Is this one?
No.
This.
That's Dijon. You see how it says Dijon?
Dijon original. Okay, now we have some Dijon mustard. Ding, 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 ding. We have some Tallulah. Cola.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
There we go.
Beep, beep. Coming through. Coming through. Coming through. Whee! Wee, 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 wee. Ooh, hey. Hey. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Wee, wee. It's time to cook. It's time to cook. Cook, cook, cook. So, as you see, we have some boring oil. Very boring. But this is what it's gonna look like when it's done. Except the seashells, the pearls, and the sea stars, shellfish. It's not gonna look like how it looked in the book. Let me reset my camera. Okay, that's good now. Oh, hold on. Am I diagonal or not? Just tell me. Tell me if I'm diagonal or not. Yeah, perfect now. Okay, now we can get back to cooking.
Alright.
Da-da-da.
Alright. So one cup of crab meat. And then raw jumbo lump crab meat. Alright, next part. 8 ounces of cream cheese. This entire thing is 8 ounces.
Okay. So just open this up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wet. Clump. Oh my god, it felt like it was a clump. Okay, everybody, I'm still grating this Parmesan cheese. Let me tell you something. When you meet me, tell me if you like the Space Jam with Michael Jordan. Or if you've even watched it, so watch it. It's awesome. Okay. Sharp cheddar from the cornflour. Still cutting the cheese. That's overcut. That might be overcut. Oh my god. Yes, that's garlic bread. Now, basically what garlic breath do is basically you take some garlic, you put it in here, and smash it. Yeah. I got mayonnaise.
How much of it?
1/4. None of the mayonnaise is coming out.
Tap it on the side. There you go.
That was easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Is this like the sour cream you eat with?
Mm-hmm.
Ugh. Oh my god. Ugh. This looks grosser than mayonnaise. It's none of it's coming out. Salt?
So a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper.
I wonder how pepper works. So it looks like that. And then it comes out like these tiny little specks. Now I have a cup of paprika. Hold on.
There you go.
Worcestershire sauce and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Yee. Will I taste it?
No.
I'm scared.
Perfect.
What?
Perfect.
Okay. Stir. Stir, 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 stir. Ugh. Oh my god. This looks like a weird monster dude. Ugh. This looks like something a monster would eat for dinner. Ugh. Ugh. Oh yeah. Oh man. Ooh, this looks gross. Everyone's to see it. You're gonna see it no matter what! That look gross? I'm asking you. So, we are pouring in. So, first, take this out. You hold this. Let's have. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's some nice stuff. We're gonna bake it for 25 minutes. This is the cutting board with a White Sox logo that I gave to my mom that laser cutted. So now we are gonna cut some bread. That is it so far, and it's getting pretty good, pretty bubbly. Ooh, I saw some action. I can see some action. See some action. Oh, no. You can actually see some bubbles still. Ooh, that smells nice. Ooh, that turned into the worst nightmare ever. Into the best one. Look at the ceiling. Now look at me. Now that's some crab dip. Let me tell you something. If you want to make this, buy this book. Peace on, guys. Woo! Yummy!